Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you guys. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam. So for this video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a little bit more out of my comfort zone. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but we're just going to take a leap of faith and just hope this turns out really well. So you guys will see the final look, or it'll probably be on the thumbnail. So we'll see how it comes out. All right, it could be a fail, it could be a win, who knows. So we're just gonna jump right in and go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put my hair out of the way. So first off, I am going to be starting off with priming my face. So I am using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Alright, so for this makeup look, I am going to be using a lot of blues. But let me get myself situated so I can find what I am looking for. So first up, I am going to start off, Alright, so we're gonna start off with eyes, like priming my lid. So I'm using the Morphe Filter Effect Concealer in the shade Light to Cool. So I'm just gonna apply onto my eyelids. And then I'm just going to blend this out with my fingers. I personally like doing this with my fingers. Some people use a brush, some people use their beauty blender. It really is up to you. Like, I just like using my fingers. So that's that. So like I said, this look, I want to use a lot of blue colors. So the first shade of blue I'm going in with this dark blue in my Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place. So this is called Cleopatra. So I'm gonna put this all in my crease. So as you guys can see, this is a very nice and pigmented color. I really am a big fan. Like, honestly, if you've seen other of my makeup tutorials, I live and swear by Juvia's Place palettes because the color and the pigmentation are really great, especially for people like darker skin tones that have issues with like eyeshadow and them showing up as their true color. Like, I love like Juvia's Place palettes. Like, I just ordered a new one actually for Black Friday. I ordered a new palette and a couple other things from Juvia's Place, so I'm really excited and looking forward to receiving that palette and just trying it out. But yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. And taking some, applying it to the other side, to the other eye. And then we're going in with a different palette, also by Juvia's Place. So this one is the Masquerade Mini. So first color we're going to be using from this palette, it's more of a blue purple. So this color right here. So this is called Chi. So we're gonna like focus that definitely more in the crease and not blending out as much, not blending upwards. So staying right in the crease with this color. So I'm using the same brush that I use for the other color. So I'm doing this because I want to create more dimension for this eye makeup look. I just like how really bold this is already looking. Okay, so we're gonna use this blue from this palette. See how that looks. So I'm gonna use a flat brush and I'm gonna be applying this to my lids. Apply it directly on the lid. Like, I'm actually liking the way this is coming out with like the different shades of the blue. Right, and now I'm going to blend out using the other end of this brush. This is more like a fluffier brush, and I'm gonna kind of like blend out the edges for the eyeshadow. Just put on to the crease and just make it less harsh. So there we go, we have our nice blue eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a makeup wipe just to clean up. Okay, so I'm gonna use my white liner and I'm just going to add some little dots into the eyeshadow here. I'm not gonna do liner for this look. Okay, so I am going to move on to face makeup. So I'm still using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. This color is a little bit darker for me now that like I'm more in my winter color. It's not winter yet here, but winter is coming. I am lightening out a bit more compared to during the summer when I'm outside a lot and, you know, getting darker. So this color is a little dark. I did order a new one from Juvia's Place with the correct shade, but since this is what I have for now, I'm just going to be using it. So this is the shade Togo, which is number 210, I believe. But I still think the shade still does a good job. Also, the fact that this is full coverage does help to hide my like acne scarring on my face. I always feel like once I start putting on foundation, my eye makeup looks always just look a lot better because now my skin is all one nice even complexion. I don't know like if I'm the only one who feels that way, but I feel like my eye makeup, when I do it sometimes before doing my face, like it looks like, oh, this looks a little crazy, and then I finish my whole makeup, I'm like, no, this actually doesn't look bad. It's just something about my face makeup not being done that just makes my eye makeup sometimes look very extra and just out of place before everything comes together in the end. So now I'm going back in with my Morphe concealer. So I'm using two shades here for my under eyes. I'm using Rich 32 warm and then light to cool. So the way I like to use these, I add to my inner corner and then outer corner, which is also a good time if you need to clean up your eyeshadow. This is a good way to do that. And then here as well, see I have a little extra here, so to get that nice crisp line that I really want for my eyeshadow, I'm just applying the concealer right kind of over it and a little under as well, and exaggerating that to give myself also a nice lifted look. So I'm going to blend that out first. So starting with my outer corner. Okay. And now we're gonna go in with light to cool first. So to lighten or to brighten the very inner corner, I'm just gonna add a little bit, not too much. Just that amount right there where I wanna just brighten it up a little bit more. And then we're gonna blend out. So now we're gonna contour my nose. So going back with the Rich 32 Warm, adding a little to my nose bridge. Also gonna add some to my forehead. And my chin. So this is almost done, so I'm gonna have to get another one, which sad. Makeup is so much money that I'm always buying new products at some point. Just blending it out. And I'm going in with my darker color to finish up my nose and contour my face. So we're just gonna I'm gonna start by blending out my face. On my nose, I'm gonna do this one really carefully, and I still need to get a smaller brush for this. I am going to be using the Merlot Moment blush. If you guys watch my other videos, this really has been my favorite blush of late. But I'm not gonna apply too much. I'm gonna apply a light amount. Just to help add back some color to my face. And now going in with my translucent powder, I am going to set under my eye. On my lips, I'm just using some Fenty lip gloss. So this is the color, let's see, it's almost done. It's actually pretty much done. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Tea Cakes Cheek Palette. I'm going to use a highlight from this. So the highlight is called Most Necessary. So it's this color right here. That's the highlight, so I'm just going to be using that. Take up some on my finger and just apply to the bridge of my nose. So this is pretty much it. I'm going to put on mascara because I don't feel like putting on lashes right now. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara, but this is pretty much the final look. So this mascara, I just got this from the beauty supply store. So this is NK Makeup Multi-Function Mascara in the color Black. Okay, so there, my eyelashes are popping a little bit more now. But yeah. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. This look came out a lot better than I thought it was going to come out. I thought using all those blues and colors were just going to be like super crazy, but this came out pretty cute. I like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you a fan of this look? Is there something you would have done differently? But as always, I thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I appreciate all the love and support. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.